Hello audience, this is Top Computing. I am Zgano Agwata. In this video, I will show you about data types in Python. The common data types are non-numeric, list, tuple, set, string, range, and dictionary. So we will see one by one. The first one, numeric. Just we know or we are familiar with numeric data type. It includes integer, float, complex, and boolean. This is numeric data type. The first one, integer. Num is equals to 23. This is integer. Let me check. Type num. If it is integer. The other one, float. For example, n is equals to 0.5636. Then type n. This is float. The other one, complex. The other one, complex. For example, b is equals to 4, sorry. B is equals to 4 and k is equals to 0.5. K is equals to 0.5. Then C is equals to complex bk. Let's say bk. This is complex. Let's display the value of c. This is complex, or let me type c. This is the complex number. Okay, we can also cast from integer to float, float to integer, float to complex. For example, x is equals to 5. Then y is equals to, I can cast the value of x to floating point. Float x. Now 5 will be changed to floating point. Then display y is 5.0, and for example y is equals to 5.2136. this floating value. So I can cast this floating value to integer. X equals to int y, and display the value of x. So it will be changed to 5. So casting means changing the data type from one data type to the other data type. If it is float, change it to integer. If it is integer, change it to float. If it is double, change it to float or change it to integer, something like that. The other data type is boolean. For example, x is equals to 7, y is equals to 10 or 29. Then I can say like bool or like this, is equals to x less than y. Then display bool. It is true. This is numeric data type. And the other data type is sequential. It includes or incorporates list, tuple, set, string, arrange, and dictionary. The first data type or the first sequential data type is list. For example, list or list is equals to, by the way, it is a type of data structure that can be stored different data types or different list of data types in one variable. And list is mutable. Mutable means it is changeable. We can insert a new element inside list. We can move new element. We can update or change the element. So we call this mutable. List, we can define the list like this. For example, 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, R, for example. This list, my name, we can clear the list like this. In there, then display list LST, and get like this.